Before buying a security camera, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about features. It's about how these cameras handle real-life situations. Let's dig into the top 5 that truly stand out. Product number 1, TPLink Tapo 1080p. First up is the TPLink Tapo 1080p indoor security camera. Priced at just $17.99, this little gem is a bestseller for good reason. If you want an affordable solution to keep an eye on your home, this is worth a serious look. The Tapo C100 shines with its crystal clear 1080p video, meaning you can easily identify faces or details even from a distance. It offers night vision up to 30 feet, so you won't miss a thing, even in the dark. The motion detection feature sends you instant alerts when it spots movement, which is crucial for keeping your home safe. Plus, it has two-way audio, allowing you to comfort your pets or communicate with anyone at home remotely. With over 27,800 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its reliability. Now, some users did mention that the app can be a bit glitchy at times, which was frustrating for them. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it for basic monitoring and not looking for a high-end experience, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly indoor camera without sacrificing essential features. Skip this one if you need a camera with more advanced options like cloud storage or extensive customization. Seriously, for the price, you're getting great value here. Now, if you find the Tapo's app issues concerning, the next camera on my list might actually be even better in terms of user-friendly features. Product number 2, Blink Mini 2K Plus. Next, we have the Blink Mini 2K Plus, a compact indoor security camera priced at $69.99. This one caught my eye with its impressive 2K video resolution. If you want clarity and performance, this is definitely worth considering. The Blink Mini doesn't just stop at 2K resolution. It provides enhanced audio and smart detection options to ensure you see and hear everything that matters. The two-way talk feature is improved, making conversations feel natural. You can even secure your footage in the cloud for up to 30 days with a free trial. The reviews are strong, with over 6,400 users giving it a 4.4-star rating, showing it has a solid reputation. However, some people reported that the subscription plan for additional features felt a bit pushy, which can be a turnoff. But honestly, if you plan on using the basic features, you get a lot for the price without being forced into the subscription. This is perfect for you if you want a compact camera with great video quality that also offers smart features. Skip this one if you tend to hate subscription models. For what you pay, it's a fantastic option for most users. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're looking for outdoor capabilities, the next product has got you covered. Product number 3, Ring Outdoor Cam. Now let's talk about the Ring Outdoor Cam, which retails for $79.99. This camera is designed for outdoor use, so it caught my attention for its versatility. If you want to secure your outdoor spaces, this might be just what you need. The Ring Outdoor Cam features live view capabilities, allowing you to check in on your property anytime. The color night vision means you can see clearly even in low light. It's equipped with two-way talk, so you can communicate with anyone near your home. With over 64,599 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, it's clear this camera is a favorite. Some users did mention issues with battery life, especially in colder climates, which can be a hassle. However, if you're someone who regularly checks your device or can recharge it easily, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable outdoor camera that can handle various conditions. Skip this one if you live in a very cold area and want a camera that can withstand extreme temperatures. It's worth the investment for great outdoor security. Now, if you're looking for something with even deeper coverage and no subscription fees, the next product might be just what you're after. Product number 4, ANSQUE Home Security Cameras. Next up is the ANSQUE Home Security Camera System, priced at $279.95. This is a more advanced option, but if you want full coverage, this system is definitely worth looking into. This 4-camera system features 360-degree PTZ coverage and a whopping 365-day battery life, which means you can install it and basically forget it. The no subscription fee aspect is huge. You get 32 gigabytes local storage built in. You can save money while keeping your data secure. Plus, the 2K color night vision ensures you get clear images, even in the dark. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 1,100 reviews, it's a solid choice for comprehensive security. However, some users found the installation a bit complex, especially if they aren't tech-savvy. But honestly, once you get past the setup, the benefits far outweigh this initial hurdle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an extensive security system that covers multiple angles. Skip this one if you prefer something that's easy to install with minimal configuration. For the level of security, it's a great value. Now, if that felt too hefty for your budget, wait until you hear about this next option that's user-friendly and affordable. Product number 5, Vimtag 2.5K cameras. Last but not least, we have the Vimtag 2.5K cameras, priced at just $29.94. This one grabbed my attention because of its excellent value. If you want a reliable camera without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. These cameras provide 2.5K HD video with color night vision, which is impressive for the price. The setup is super easy, and it works indoors or outdoors. The Smart AI detection feature sends you instant alerts on any movement, helping you stay on top of things. With a 4.5-star rating from 684 reviews, it's a trusted option for many buyers. Some users did report that the cloud subscription is a bit pricey, especially for extended storage. But the truth is, if you're okay with local storage options, you can save a lot. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly camera that still offers solid features. Skip this one if you want extensive cloud storage without a fee. Honestly, for under $30, it's an amazing value. And there you have it. To wrap it up, the TPLink Tapo is a fantastic budget option, while the Blink Mini 2K Plus offers excellent clarity for indoors. The Ring Outdoor Cam excels at outdoor monitoring, and the ANSQUE system provides comprehensive coverage without subscription fees. Finally, the Vimtag camera is the best value for money. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.